The best free alternative to Midjourney. Midjourney is a waste of money. This new free alternative is 10x better. Here's the secret you've been waiting for. Introducing LensGo/ at LensGo_AI. The best free alternative to Midjourney. Basic features. Create stunning images from text. Convert text into captivating videos. Get different models as per requirements. Train your own custom models and use them. Here's how you can use it. 1. Sign up for free. Open https://lensgo.ai. Sign up for a free account. Explore the homepage and features. 2. Begin the transformation, text to art. LensGo turns your imagination into visual art. Click on Create Images. Select your model or train a new one. Adjust the settings, image size, dimensions, etc. Enter a prompt and click Start. You're all set. Smiley face. 3. Text to video generation. Bring descriptions to life with dynamic videos. Click Create Videos. Choose a suitable model. Set dimensions and camera angles. Enter text prompt, then click Start. That's it, now wait. Four. Custom model training. Click on Training and Models. Assign a catchy name to your model. Pick the desired base model type. Upload the model images for training. Sit back and relax. It only takes a few minutes to train. Five. Using your custom model. Now, custom model is ready to generate visuals. Go to Create Images or Create Videos. Choose your trained model from the list. Enter text prompts and see the magic.